Yo, welcome back. We are headed back to the tail.
Yes,
we're about to load up the truck and the trailer. Vic here again. We're going back. It was a couple months, but
it's too much fun.
We're gonna have so much fun again. We're meeting my dad up there. It's gonna be a great video. Follow along. Let's get it.
Let's go.
All right, we're at Wolf Creek Rentals here in Socoa, North Carolina, and we got our two bikes. My dad's riding
About to get it.
a GS 1200R for the week, but I got to take it to the tail, so we're about to head there now. This thing is comfy, bro. Wow. Oh man, I feel like I'm riding on a cloud. Made it. We're at the tail again.
We're here.
It's been what, 6 months almost?
Yeah.
We're back. It's hot, it's humid.
Yeah.
We made great time. We got the cabin, we got all the bikes. My dad's BMW.
Yes.
We're about to get after it. Tonight, we might hit the tail, we might not. We're gonna go do some riding. Let's get it. We're about to go ride with my dad for the first time. He just took off on the bike.
My boy just left. He said, I'm out of here.
Made our first run. We're at the top. I took it slow. It was OG Safety Jack's first time on the tail, so we took it slow. But the weather is beautiful. Man, look at this. Woo! Keeps going all the way around the lake. It's really straight and flat. Weather's still good. We can keep going down that way and explore, and then go take the tail back the other way. You're good with that?
Easier to ride, dog.
Easier to ride. Let's do it. It's day 2. We're out. It's been raining all night. We did the tail last night, down and back. Dad's first time was awesome. But look at this view. Look at that. We got the water, we got the mountains, the fog. We're still going today. Let's do it. Man, the entire time I'm thinking it cannot rain like this the whole time. There's no way. It can't. And the further I went, the more it kept raining. I need a
maybe they have a dryer.
Wouldn't that be something? I just want to get out of the rain. I gotta grab that backpack. I got my shirt and extra socks in there. So we made it to the Blue Ridge Parkway. views are fantastic, but it's been pouring all day. Bikes are holding up, but we are barely holding up. It is, I'm soaked. Like there's actual water coming from every place on me right now. It's too wet. Way too wet. Okay, it is day number 2, and it's been raining. Got a beautiful ride back. Hey folks, how you doing? And we're gonna zoom down this road. The Poco Road is really fun if you want to get after it and get some live sweeping turns and stuff. There ain't nobody coming, so we're gonna head it out. All right, let's do it.
OG original, and we got the young G.
Slow speed. We've been here 3 days, and I officially get to go after the dragon for the first time on day 3. We've had nothing but rain. Yesterday was pretty good, but we took a ride out to Blue Ridge Parkway. So today we're gonna get to go after it. I'm gonna go for a personal best as long as the weather cooperates on the tail, as long as the roads aren't too sketchy. it. That's a wrap. Day 4 morning. We're about to head home. It's been a fantastic trip. Thank you to Vic and to my dad, especially, for making this trip. This was so much fun, very memorable, and once in a lifetime, right? So thank you. Thanks for watching. See you next time.